Okay, guys, I had a little technical difficulty, so I have to redo this video. Forgive me. All right. So, the first thing I want you to do, and remember, you can always pause and try to do this yourself. I wouldn't suggest watching all of this and then trying it on your own. Probably much better is to, uh, go with me. Sorry, I'm trying to get rid of this. There we go. All right. So down here at the bottom of your sheet is a plus sign, and we're going to use that to have different tabs. See, here was that phone project we were working on. You're going to be working on a bank account in lesson 2. And then lesson 3 is a car loan. And many of you, I had you label this car loan. But I want to do another one called compound interest. So the first job for you to do is to make these new tabs and label them so. And in the compound interest, I want to remind you on our lesson that we had last week, which was about how loans work. And at first we talked about a simple loan, but then we went on to compound interest, which is really the more realistic interest. Now remember how loans work. Let's say I'm borrowing $10,000. We're calling that the principal. And then we have interest we have to pay on it. We'll say in this case like 12%. Now, if we're looking at how much we're going to pay at the end of the year, it's a lot like simple interest. But remember, it got different if we didn't pay it off at the end of the term. It's simple interest, you pay it off. Well, this first term, this first year, what are we going to pay? We talked about the notation of doing that, and we decided to do it this way. You're going to see why soon. We decided to say, hey, we're doing $10,000 times something. First of all, we're multiplying it by 1 because we're getting all of that. All of that we still owe. So we're saying we owe 10,000. And we also owe interest on that 10,000. So now I just need to fill in the blanks there with real math. So I'm going to say 10,000 plus the interest. In this case is 12%, so 0.12. In our lesson, you didn't see this plus sign because we chose just to do this. It's the same thing, right? Look, I have one of those and I have 12% of 10,000 at the end of the year. That's just 1 year. Okay, so I hope you remember that and that it helps with what we're about to do. In your spreadsheet, I want you to label this as principal and this one as interest. Then I want to show you a cool trick. Oh, we'll go with 10,000 again. We'll go with 10,000 and the interest we will say 0.12%. 12 cents, 12%. Okay, then we're going to label this 1, 2, 3, like they're the years. This is going to be the years. In fact, I'll put that on top. Years. Now, a really cool trick in Excel is if you highlight something and then drag the corner, it's like saying to Excel, keep doing this. And Excel is going to think, well, it looks like you're counting. And you drag it down, and it can count automatically for you. The cool thing about Excel, guys, is it has all kinds of short tricks for you. All right, give that a try. Again, adding these tabs on the bottom so that you have 4 sheets, right? Naming them bank account, car loan, compound interest, using this arrow here. Let's label principal, let's label interest, and then number, I don't care how far you go, however many years you want to go down, but make sure you use that copy trick. All right? Okay, go get it.